Hello guys, welcome back to Fura's Kitchen. Today we are going to make peanut butter. These are roasted peanuts. I've already roasted them and peeled. I've already peeled them. So I will add salt, like a half a tablespoon of salt, and then we'll start blending. You can use grinder or a blender, but you have to keep on switching off. After 3 minutes of blending, you switch off, let it rest for some seconds, and then continue blending. This way you will not spoil your blender. So my peanuts have already, you see they're in powder form. They've already blended, so we'll continue blending. I added a tablespoon of oil, cooking oil. You can use olive oil. Then I'll continue blending until I have my peanut butter. I don't like my peanut butter runny. So you can, if you want a runny peanut butter, you can continue blending until you achieve your desired consistency. You can enjoy this with bread. You can add in biscuits. You can use in stews. There's so many benefits of peanut butter. I hope you'll try and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye and God bless you.